Begin by unscrewing the pump cylinder and pulling out the armature and piston assembly. Next, remove the non-return valve assembly, short NRV, from the pump cylinder. Tap the ball onto the armature and assess the ball for wear or damage. Also inspect the seal of the NRV assembly. Reassemble the NRV assembly onto the pump cylinder. Assess the O-ring on the pump cylinder for wear or damage, and look at the glass sleeve inside the pump cylinder itself to look for cracks or chips. Next, slide the piston off the armature and tap onto the armature to remove the ball and assess for wear or damage. If it is worn out, take the piston replacement kit, remove the cap, and see if the piston can be slid into the pump cylinder's glass sleeve with little to no force. If it does not fit well, put the cap on the piston and roll the tip between your fingers to form the white Teflon ring. After a few seconds, try again to fit the piston into the glass sleeve. Once the fitment is correct, you can slide the armature back into the pump and screw the pump cylinder with the NRV assembly back onto the bottom of the pump. Only attach all parts hand tight. Then attach the hose back onto the pump and tighten the hose gland. To begin the priming process, press menu and then pump priming.